Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today we have a very special delivery for our wonderful doodle friends. This tiny Kawaii letter is filled with love, happy smiles, and a huge thank you to all our amazing followers and supporters. So grab your pencils and let's doodle it together. First, let's draw a wide trapezoid shape for the front of the envelope. Try to keep the corners soft and rounded to make it look cute. Now, draw a small heart shape near the center of the envelope. From the heart, draw lines connecting out towards the corners to create an X shape for the envelope folds. Next, let's sketch the sides of the letter sticking out from the top of the envelope. Add a second border line around the letter for extra detail. At the top edge of the letter, draw tiny curved arches to give it a soft and playful look. This step is optional. It's up to you, my friends. Now, let's draw the back flap of the envelope peeking out from behind the letter with a triangle shape. Let's make our letter expressive. Draw one big sparkling eye, one happy wink, and a wide smiling mouth. Next, let's draw the envelope's face looking up toward the letter with cute happy eyes and a tiny smile. Our happy little letter is so excited to arrive to you, my friends. So let's add tiny arms reaching up on each side to show all that excitement. Yay! Here we go. Our sketch is all finished. Time to use our color magic to bring this letter to life. Let's have fun! Feel free to use the same colors I'm using here, or get creative and choose your own favorite color combinations to make your Kawaii letter extra special. Oh wow! Look how adorable our happy little letter has turned out. Now, I'm adding tiny dashed lines along the envelope folds to give it some extra cute details. For the final touch, I'm using a white marker to add little dots and highlights around the letter to make everything pop. Voila! Our sweet kawaii letter is ready to zoom across the world, delivering a bundle of love, smiles, and giant thank yous to all our amazing doodle friends. From all of us here at Doodle Garden Art Hub, thank you for being part of our colorful little art family. Until our next doodle adventure, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.